Welcome, today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So open first the app gallery and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and then just tap to open the app. After that, click here to enable in settings and tap once on the switcher near green Apple keyboard. Click twice to OK and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check our new keyboard. The look of our new keyboard, and we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.